everyone, this is Abhishek Rai. Today I'll discuss and give you information about a glamorous job of being an actor. Most of the people in this world has a dream to be an actor. Some of these ever face the camera, so leave out the question of being and becoming a celebrated and well-known actor. This career is full of glamour and fame. There is a very fast going up and down in this career. So this job of being an actor is usually done on contracts for a particular film or a serial on television. The future career is decided on your previous performance, and then it is decided for later. While usually the actors have to work inside the studios, shooting also takes place outdoor and sometimes abroad the country. They have to work under the guidance of the film director and have to be friendly with everyone in the film. Actor has to portray the character and communicate with the audience. It is fully dependent on you that which stream would you take after 10th standard from the subjects science, commerce and arts. So after studying till 11th and 12th, after 10th taking the subject under science, arts or commerce, there is many entrance exam which you have to take for different institutes. Different institutes have their own rules and regulations. The marks is dependent on the institute, that what is the amount of marks one should get to take admissions in the institute. The institute depends on your learning and different section. It is not important that you have to take a diploma degree from the institute. You can directly become an actor if you have that passion and be a celebrated actor without having a degree. As far as the salary is concerned in this career, there is no fixed salary in this career. The salary is dependent on your work and performance, the amount of hard work and old you are and your experience, the amount of salary you will get. It is sure that once you get name and fame in this career, you will get more salary packages. Thank you. I hope you all understand everything from my speech, and all the best for your career. Thanks.